We're out camping and we found a new winner. What did we find, Carla?
We found a 24-foot Casita.
Yeah. Everybody's been talking about Casita making one of these for years, wanting them to make a bigger, larger Casita camper, and here it is. 24-foot Casita. We're going to check out the inside, check out the outside. So let's go see what it's all about.
All right, we got here a new Casita, 24 foot, right?
That's right. We're going to start on the inside and then we'll go around the outside. Let's go check it out.
Come on. This is so exciting.
This is amazing. We've been wanting to see a tandem axle Casita for a long time. They finally made one.
Yeah.
So here it is, a 24-foot
Yeah.
Casita. Comes with...
Look at all this counter space. Woo.
Yeah, that counter space is great. It's got drawers down there. It's got a giant storage down there on the bottom, it looks like.
Yep.
This is a privately owned camper, so we don't want to go opening up all their cupboards, but we're just going to take a look.
Yeah, and I kind of went over with them what everything was, all the storage. So storage, you know, drawers. This is a really big open storage area here. Microwave, real deep sink.
Yeah, I like that sink.
Yeah.
I like the square, it looks cool. Cooktop.
3-burner cooktop. More storage.
More storage. You got the furnace down there underneath the cooktop. Got a large refrigerator freezer. That's a very large refrigerator freezer.
12 volt.
12 volt.
Only 12 volt only, he
It
said.
only comes in 12 volt.
Yep, Coleman mock.
Cool. All right.
This is a twin bed, which he said would convert into a king size bed. With this area here, I think they may give an extra cushion to make the king size.
Yeah, so if you want a full-size king bed, that'd be a lot of space. That's a nice option to have. Or
Yeah.
a twin bed. Twin beds are very popular. People love them.
Yes.
Very nice. Got a TV in the corner.
Makes lots of floor space. The TV
Folds up.
here. Has like a halo lighting around. This is a fan.
Okay, very cool.
I think that one's back there.
It's got
too.
some, looks like pull-down shades there over the windows.
Yeah, and he said that you can get different kinds of shades. These were not the correct ones, so they're gonna give him
Change
the
them
correct
out.
ones and
Okay.
change them out.
It says brand spanking new one, just off the line. They just started putting them out, so they're
This is not standard. This is something that they added.
okay. The
themselves.
frosting on the glass,
Yeah,
just to give a little privacy there.
Yep.
And then it has the I don't even know what you call it, but it's kind of like a rug type material. It's different from the
The
traditional Casitas where they had like a more of a shaggy rug. This is more of a soft.
And it's pretty. It's like a pretty color.
It is pretty.
Just soft.
Very nice.
Yeah, it has LED lighting with switches on it all around, but it also has some switches that flips everything on automatically over there at the door.
All right.
Like that.
All right. Let's turn around and take a look.
Has a jackknife sofa.
Jackknife sofa, and they also offer this with a dinette as well. So that's a nice option, just depending on what you like here. There's the owner of the new camper, Roy. Loving it so far.
Making it a bunk bed too.
And a bunk bed version as well. Okay.
Different versions.
Very nice.
One thing about this that I did not realize, and you can tell me if I'm wrong, but you can put a table here.
2 of them.
Oh,
They come with 2.
Okay.
Yeah, so it
Very
has tables
cool.
that you can put in the center of the beds. Nice.
We left it at home because,
Okay. It just takes up a lot of room. I'm
well,
sure.
we don't know how we're going to work it.
Yeah.
Does not come with the dog, so you're on your own. You got to get your own dog. Is that a wardrobe there, it looks like?
Yes, sir.
And then some more storage up top.
Yeah.
So very nice.
And here's the
The
star of the show.
The
there.
star of the show, in addition to the overall length, is the dry bath. Casita's the very first dry bath model. Got the sink there along the front wall, toilet, and then got the shower over here to the side.
This is the star.
You think? Could be.
It's more, I could do without the shower, but
So,
I don't want them side dinettes.
molded fiberglass shower unit. Looks like it's got a separate base around the bottom. Nice big shower.
Nice.
I can actually stand up in
Let
there.
me get you standing in the shower.
I'm 6 foot, and I actually fit in here. I got several inches above me towards the front, so very nice. Could easily take a shower in here. Really like it.
Shower head's in the corner
Yeah.
there.
Very cool.
Yeah. Has like a storage under there, it looks like.
It's got a fan with the light up on top. This is fantastic. New tandem axle Casita, 24 foot with the dry bath.
The levels, the pump, and the hot water heater there.
Okay. Yeah. Tank levels.
One thing they pointed out is this folds down. It actually has cup holders in it, so that's kind of cool about this.
The centerpiece
Yeah, the
has a cup
centerpiece
holder.
Yeah, they show it on the website.
Yeah.
Okay. There's some other light switches and that sort of thing up there, and
Yep.
the thermostat. Very nice.
Sure, there's some things that we're not covering, but that's the gist of it.
Okay. Sounds good.
All right, let's go to the outside.
So we're super excited to check out this new 24 foot Casita. It's a 2026 Casita. So first time seeing one out. I think it may be the very first one. I'm not sure. It's
First on production.
First off production. So very cool. Excited to see it. Don't know a whole lot about it, but I am going to go down some specs from what Casita has on their website, just so you can get those out of the way, so you know what those are. According to Casita's website, it starts at $44,999. It's 24 foot 3 inches from tongue to bumper. Its overall height is 9.5 foot. Overall width is 8 foot, so it's wider than the smaller original Casitas. Dry weight is at 4,250 before options. It's got a GVWR of 6,000 pounds. Interior length 19.5. Interior height 6'7". So interior height of 6'7". That's fantastic. It makes it very comfortable in there. Interior width 7.5. And now let's go over the tank sizes. So this is pretty awesome. It comes with a fresh tank of 45 gallons, gray tank 40 gallons, and the black tank is 35 gallons. So those are some good stats on this new Casita. Let's go walk around it and check it out. So we're just here checking it out like everybody else is here. Don't know all the specs about it. If you want to know more about it, contact Casita, go to their website. We'll put that information below, but we're just gonna walk around and check it out. So did notice that with this being a 24 foot, it comes with a much larger steel frame down there than what you'd see on the smaller Casitas. So looks like a big C-channel frame. They do have a beautiful gel coat on their campers. They do a phenomenal job on their fiberglass, and you can actually get it in this two-tone where it's got a gray color and then of course the white on top. New graphics package. It also comes with what I personally like is the frameless glass windows, awning style windows. So those are nice because you can actually open them up when it's raining outside and still keep your windows open. So I really like that. I think they look nice and clean. Carla loves those too, but you know, it's just a preference what type of window people like. Some people like the acrylic windows. We prefer the glass, but very nice camper. Again, this is the tandem axle, so super excited because Casita has never put out a tandem axle trailer. So having that, you know, just adds, you're able to make a larger camper and it gives you more stability on the road. I prefer personally a tandem axle camper while you're driving down the road. Good and stable, safer. Looks like it does have some torsion axles underneath. I also wanted to mention that according to Casita's website, the whole underbelly is enclosed, so the tanks are actually enclosed and they're heated as well. So and also according to their website it's 4-season compatible. So that's pretty exciting news, so you can get out and camp in the cold. The dump valves on this new Casita are on the driver's side towards the back. You can see they're easy to get to, really like that. And the bottom of the Casita is actually enclosed to help enclose the tanks for colder weather. In front of the driver's side front tire there's another gray valve, and as you can see here, the whole underbelly of the camper is enclosed, so it's going to be much better for 4-season camping. Again, this is somebody's personal camper, so we're not going to open their storage or anything like that, but it does have a 30 amp plug. This looks like water hookup here. Let's just walk on around to the back. Here on the back, it does have a nice big bumper. This is larger than just the standard 4-inch bumper you see on a lot of campers, so it's actually bigger. I don't know how big it is, 5 or 6 inches, and it's got a cap on it, and so you can actually put your sewer hose in that easily. So that's a nice good size down there. This particular one does have a hitch receiver on it, so you could put some a bicycle rack or that sort of thing down there.
Want to contact Casita? There's their info right there.
There's the info right there. Nice big window on the back. It does have some marker lights across the top. Some LED lights on the tail lights on the back. So let's go on around to the other side. On this side, it does have some more storage down here underneath the bed, I believe. Water heater. Again, some more awning style glass windows. There's a large awning. It goes all the way across the top. On this particular model, it looks like it's a manual awning. I don't know if there's options for power, but you can check with Casita about that. And it's got a larger, wider door than what would be on a smaller Casita that you'd see in the past of a 17-footer. So the wider door I've always found to be a little bit more comfortable for me. I'm broad-shouldered, big guy. So I really like the new, larger door on this Casita. Also on this side of the camper, you've got the furnace vent, and then there's some plugs, some 120 volt plugs down there. You got another window that's over the kitchen area. You got an LED light on the front. So you can see here, as I was saying, the door is wider, so I really like that. It does come with a double step that folds up underneath, and it comes with a grab bar, which is always nice coming in and out of the camper.
Look at this little shade that they have. You just do like that and you can see out.
Yeah, that's a nice, clever way of
Privacy.
blocking out the door window.
Yep.
So on this new Casita, it also comes with 2 30-pound LP tanks and a LED light here that's solar panel. Very cool.
Right. You didn't have to be there full time. You go and enjoy, do whatever you want.
We'd like to say thanks to Roy and Beth for letting us see their 2026 24-foot Casita.
Yeah, thank you very much. It's been awesome. This is just a quick look at it. It is a big hit here at the campground. So everybody's wanting to see it, and so we can just take a quick walk in and around it.
Yeah.
Very exciting camper to see. Everybody's loving it.
Exciting news for the fiberglass community.
That's right. It's a great new design. I think Casita's really got a home run with this camper. It's very roomy, comfortable, taller, wider, dry bath. It's a home run. I think it's going to do great. So check out Casita online, give them a call, whatever you need to do. We'll put some information and links below. And appreciate you hanging around watching. And please like, subscribe, share if you haven't already. And we'll see you next time on Runaway Roses. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.